Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you for being a part of Caribbean Vibes vlog cooking family, guys. You mean so much to this channel. A lot of you guys been on the channel from 1 subscriber going all the way up now. So thank you for this amazing life journey. Pamela, Drea, my nieces, my nephews, and just to everyone on the channel who continue supporting the channel, a big thank you once more. Words can't explain how much you mean to the channel. Every comment you guys comment on the videos, I really like the comment and the interaction with you guys on the channel and stuff like that, guys. So this morning I'm gonna do for breakfast, guys. I want to do some cornmeal porridge. And cornmeal porridge is pretty simple and easy to make. I'm trying to mix up the stuff them that I do on the channel. I do some breakfast vlogs, some lunch vlogs, some dinner vlogs. So just showcase like a part of what I eat being a Jamaican, and what I eat in the morning and what I eat, and motherfucker, what most Jamaican people love to eat. Guys, I'm adding in some cinnamon leaf into the water for the porridge. Guys, I'm going to use some of this cornmeal to make the porridge and this coconut milk. However, instead of me using the natural water to mix out the cornmeal, I am going to mix the coconut milk into the water and then use the coconut milk to mix out the cornmeal to make the porridge. Guys, I'm going to use the strainer and give the cornmeal a sip. Even though it's refined cornmeal, but I'm still going to give it a little sip through the strainer. And this is how it is looking now after I'm finished sieving it through the strainer, guys. So I'm going to mix the coconut milk now. So we are pouring the coconut milk into the cornmeal now. And I am going to mix it out, guys. Ensure that the cornmeal mix out. So we are mixing out the cornmeal into the boiling water. Guys, you don't want it too thick. So guys, can you see the thickness of it coming in? So mixing it up, guys. Normally I let my cornmeal porridge with my coconut milk cook for roughly half an hour. Guys, we're checking on the porridge. Guys, the cinnamon leaf is killing the porridge. It is smelling so good, guys. Guys, if you're making the porridge and you're not in Jamaica and you don't have the cinnamon leaf, it is optional. You use the cinnamon powder instead. So the porridge is cooking. Guys, we're still checking on the porridge. So I am going to add some vanilla in my porridge, some powdered cinnamon powder, and some nutmeg, and also some thin milk, and then you taste, and then you add some sugar. My nutmeg, and I'm going to add some vanilla. One teaspoon of vanilla in the porridge. Cinnamon powder to the porridge. Don't need a lot, because remember that I'm already cooking the porridge with the cinnamon leaf. I'm adding some milk to the porridge and give it a whisk. And then we are going to taste the porridge to see if it is fresh or it needs some sugar in it. One spoon of sugar. We are going to taste it once more. I'm gonna add just this small bit of salt. Not much now. Guys, turning off the stove under the porridge now, because the porridge done cook. You know, say everything alright from the porridge done cook. Guys, this is my cornmeal porridge. If you like this video, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, also consider subscribing to my channel as well.